Is there a need to scale down celebrations is a question we'd be asking through the course of this show. Will the parade inspire citizens in COVID times? That's the flip side. Shouldn't we have it because it reinstills your faith, your pride in your nation at a time when we are together fighting a pandemic? Which one is it? Let's cut across right now to our guest this evening. I have Sudhanshu Trivedi, BJP MP. I have Ajoy Kumar, Congress spokesperson. Appreciate you gentlemen for joining us. Mr. Kumar, I'd begin with you, sir. First, is this the point of view of Mr. Shashi Tharoor or maybe yours? Or does the Congress hold the point of view that we should avoid celebrations on Republic Day?
Look, Preeti, first of all, our views is very clear. We must continue with the celebrations of the Republic Day, whichever be this is the official stand of the party. Especially since everything what the Republic stands for is under threat these days, whether it is democracy, whether it's freedom of expression, whether it is the rights of the marginalized, whether the rights of women. You've just been talking on the rights of the situation in Badar and every part. So the celebrations of the Republic Day, because it's very important, is the day when the Constitution, India formally became a republic. We gave ourselves the Constitution, all the constitutional authorities and rights which are under challenge. So the Republic Day, we don't need a chief guest to decide whether we should have the Republic Day function. Now it's for the government to decide how they want to do it. But we definitely believe that the Republic Day must.
But Mr. Kumar, then what is it that the Congress is objecting to? Because Mr. Tharoor has pretty much said we don't need this kind of austerity, we don't need these kind of crowds. Why do it?
First question is the Congress is not, again I said, this is the official, Shashi has a right, like any other party. Shashi's got the right to his own opinion. I mean, he's got opinion where if you're going to counter Shashi's every opinion of Mr. Tharoor.
So what is your opinion then?
No, one sec. So many things he said on the BJP should also be applicable. Why don't we apply that to the BJP?
So the fact is he's part of the G23. I know what you understand what I mean.
No,
the group of 23 who've dissented. So are we going to read it in that light? Because I want to know what is your point of view in all of
First
this.
Question. No, Mr. Tharoor is a very well-read person and I'm not going to make a comment. That's his view. The party's view and the majority of the party, the leadership of the party and the Congress party's official stand is that the Republic Day is a very important day in the history of this country because it is also our commitment to the constitutional values, especially in 2020. It is
but
needed
Mr. Kumar,
to divide and Preeti, I'll just finish. When the constitutional powers and rights are under threat, it's critically important to make sure we celebrate it.
Well, Mr. Kumar, I'm sorry that you have to sit here and defend the indefensible because you're saying exactly what the BJP is saying. So, Dr. Trivedi, you have Mr. Ajoy Kumar who's saying exactly what the BJP is saying. That this is the time that the country needs to galvanize and an event like the 26th January will only instill that in the citizens.
First thing, I am having a great objection to the word pomp and show. It means they are saying that the 26th January was a pomp and show. No, it is a celebration, or you can say the Parv, Ganatantra ka Parv hai. And with due humility, I would like to ask Mr. Kumar, when it comes from the Congress party, does he know why our Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January? What is the importance of this date?
Sudhanshuji, I got through the UPSC and the subject was history. So let me be.
Yes.
We gave ourselves the constitution, my friend. BJP may not believe in the constitution.
No. Why we gave our constitution on 26th
we became
of January?
A republic. Sudhanshuji.
Why we became republic on? Why we decided to stick on the date 26th of January?
Don't take history lesson from me. I'll take you a couple of lessons. We adopted the constitution on the 26th of January. We gave ourselves this constitution, my friend, which is not the book from Nagpur, which is a book which the Parliament, the Constituent Assembly accepted.
Okay.
Nagpur ki kitab
now I will respond. Okay, Ajay Kumar ji. I have asked that why we decided to give or devote the constitution to us on 26th of January because
we used to celebrate that as an Independence Day historically, Bhai Sahab.
Now I will respond. Okay.
The Congress used to celebrate the Independence Day. आपको इतना तो इतिहास समझ लीजिए हजूर.
अरे नहीं हुजूर, अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ जो बात शायद आपको ध्यान नहीं रही होगी शायद आप स्किप कर गए होंगे, अदरवाइज सच ए वेल रेड पर्सन लाइक यू डेफिनेटली विल बी हैविंग दिस फैक्ट इन द माइंड। अब मैं आपको बता देता हूं, द फैक्ट इज दैट ऑन 26th of January 1930 the resolution of total independence and Purna Swaraj was passed in Congress session in Lahore.
Absolutely.
So this gives two facts. Number one, by the acceptance of the Congress party, their movement, freedom movement for total independence was of just 17 years. It started in 1930. Prior to that, it was a fight for concessions from the Viceroy's Executive Council. Now, coming on, you are saying that the Republic, all the rights of the Republic have been shut down. Sir, you know, there was a time in Indian history when officially all the fundamental rights of the citizens were officially suspended. The judiciary officially suspended. The media officially banned. Was emergency. But can you remember, we have ever made 15th August or 26th January a mark of protest in 1975 or 76? No, sir. Because we are having unflinching commitment to the Republic of India. Second thing I would like to remind. During, you know, there was in 1962 China war. Even not only Bharatiya Janasangh, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has supported wholeheartedly to Nehru, that Nehru who has put ban and atrocities on RSS, that Nehru has asked us,
But
can you RSS will come on 26th of January 1963 in a parade? We said yes, we will come on 26th
But Dr. Trivedi, Mr. Kumar is saying he's with you. He's saying go ahead, celebrate. It's good for the country. That's what he's saying.
Now I'm coming. That's why I'm saying. I'm coming to that.
Okay, one second.
Please allow me uninterrupted.
Okay, yes. Mr. Kumar, let Mr. Trivedi finish. I'll come right back. Yes.
Yeah, please, Sudhanshu, please.
So this was an unflinching commitment shown by us and respect on the Republic Day. But unfortunately, what happens is a very peculiar class or peculiar house of the Congress party. If Shashi Tharoor says something on Afzal Guru, it is his personal opinion. If Shashi Tharoor says something about good Hindu or bad Hindu, it is the personal opinion. Shashi Tharoor says something about Ram Janmabhoomi, it is the personal opinion. Now the height is that the Shashi Tharoor says something about Republic Day, it is the personal opinion. The problem is not only with Shashi Tharoor ji. If Digvijay Singh says something, it is the personal opinion. If Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says something, it is the personal opinion. It is the Manishankar Iyer says something, it is the personal opinion. तो भाई हम तो समझ ही नहीं पाते हैं कि क्या पर्सनल है और क्या पब्लिक है. मुझे लगता है they have been so much victim of the defeatist mindset. एक लाइन में मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि मोदी की मारी और इंतकाम की प्यासी ये कांग्रेस है या आलमे बदहवासी. What you are saying is your opinion and what your leaders are saying is not your opinion. I am unable to differentiate.